Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive by data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I know a little, ma'am.
As long as you can communicate with your employer is we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, there is no point of coming here, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am. We don't have.
Are you sure that you don't have? Later, once you come to work here, you will going to tell us, Ma'am, I have the sister, I have the brother, I have the mother. No such
No.
a thing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
You
Totally
can
clean.
see clearly.
Yes, repeat, ma'am.
You
Sorry.
can see clearly. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
If you think that there is something inside your body or if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You can hear properly also, right?
Yes, ma'am. Again.
You can hear properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I'm agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. It's my first time.
It's your first time. Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Um, to earn more money and save for my future.
Do you think you can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am. I will finish.
Can you help me introduce yourself?
I'm Annalise Segula. I'm 29 years old. Live in San Rizal. I'm the eldest. I have three younger sisters. My height is 165 centimeter and my weight is 70 kilogram. And
Okay. I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am.
You have children?
I don't have mom.
Are you straight?
I'm a lesbian, ma'am.
You're a lesbian. Okay. When is your birthday?
May 11, 1996.
May 11,
96.
1996. Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure you don't have tattoo?
No, I don't have it.
Okay. What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I already finished high school level, ma'am.
Okay. Is
But
your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
yes, they approve, ma'am.
They approve.
Yeah.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have a three younger sister. Their age is 27 years old, 25, and 23.
Okay. How many brother?
I don't have brother, ma'am.
Okay. So what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is 50 years old and my father is 53. The doing now is managing the business, our small business.
What kind of business is your family have?
We have a rice,
Sorry.
mini rice.
Rice store.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, I have, ma'am. Way back 2021, January 10, I started that. And since January 10, 2022, then to February, February, February 20, 2024.
So you work for 3 years, is it?
Just only 2 years, ma'am.
So January 2021 to January 2022 to February 2024 for 2 years, is right? Is it stay-in maid?
Stay in maid, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Rizal, ma'am.
Rizal. What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Rizal?
My duties there is to do household work like cleaning, washing, ironing, and gardening, and some of them assist the elderly.
Okay, did you cook inside the house?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elderly that you take care?
50 years old and 52 years old, ma'am.
Both female and male. Is it female or male?
Mr. and Mrs. They are married, husband
Fif-
and
50 years old and
uh, 53.
53 years old. Okay. So, do you know what are you up to? You are working as a domestic helper and this is your first time working abroad. Do you think you can endure?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure? I cannot see in your face.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure ah.
Sure, I can do my job as well and good there in Malaysia.
You know the reality of working here in Malaysia, right? Employer here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness and houses here is quite big. So this is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family. You feel homesick. You cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Understood, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready for any task for household chores.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook? Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your agency in the Philippines told you or are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am. I understood that.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I understood, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay. You can come, work properly. Don't give us trouble. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
I'm 100% agree, ma'am.
Frequently knowing that you are a first-timer and homesickness will frequently attack you. How will you gonna handle it later?
I will focus myself to work and after my duty, I will call my parents.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for yourself also at the same time knowing that you are still young, okay? And you are single, you don't have any children. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am. I will follow the regulation and I know my obligation as a helper.
Okay, so if you know how to cook, what variety of cuisine you can prepare?
Popular here in Philippines, mostly as adobo. I will cook for them.
But you are willing to learn some new recipes. Okay. You are willing to learn some new recipes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Annalisa. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much. Bye.